In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access ESPN Plus content through the Disney Bundle, so you can enjoy sports, shows, and movies in one package. Let's get started. The Disney Bundle includes Hulu ad-supported Disney Plus and ESPN Plus at a discounted price. To access ESPN Plus, start by subscribing to the bundle through the Disney Plus or Hulu website. Once subscribed, log in to your account on the ESPN app or website using the same credentials you used for the bundle. Download the ESPN app on your device, smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device, and sign in. If prompted, activate the app by visiting espn.com/activate and entering the code displayed on your screen. Once activated, you can stream exclusive ESPN Plus content like live events, original shows, and documentaries. For offline viewing, download eligible content while connected to Wi-Fi and access it later in the Downloads section of the ESPN app. Ensure your internet connection is stable for uninterrupted streaming. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN Plus through the Disney Bundle.